we missed it like
Yep. So
last.
yes, any
Yes.
question from the last class?
No, no, no. I think when the last class happened, right? Way
Yeah,
back.
yes, it was
I think
last
we
week, I
missed.
guess.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. We missed it like two classes. So no
Yeah,
worries. Yeah.
no worries, we'll cover up everything.
Yeah. No worries. No worries.
Okay, so what are we going to cover in this class? Basically, strings and collections. Okay, but before going ahead,
Yeah.
we have to do a question. Okay, let's see the question first. So, is the question visible to you?
Yes.
Okay. So the question is saying that you have an integer nums, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and one another integer with a target. Num is basically an array, and need not necessary to be an integer. It could be any function as well. Okay, not function, any string as well. And but here we'll consider the integer, and the target is integer two. You have to return the indices of the two numbers that such that they when they add up, they will give you the target.
Gotcha.
Now, what does that mean? Let's see the first example. We have this nums, and this is the array 2, 7, 11,
Hmm.
15.
Hmm.
So what is the index of 11?
Index of 11 will be 2.
2. And
Hmm.
the target it is here is 9.
9.
So which two number will be sum up to which will be equal to target?
2 and 7.
2 and 7. What is the
0.
index
Yeah.
of 2? 0 and 1.
0.
So
0
that
and
is
1.
what
Yes.
we need. Okay.
Hmm.
And these are the constant. Constant basically the nums, the array length should be between 2 to 10 to the
Hmm.
power 4. Yes,
Hmm.
10,000. Between these two. So of course we are not going to test on that much, but you can consider 15, 16, 17, whatever. Okay. And the nums of I, which means each value of num should not exceed minus 10 to the power 9 to plus 10 to the power 9, which is a lot. Okay. For
Hmm.
example, here we have written 2 now. So instead of 2, you cannot exceed 10 to the power 9 number, which will be
Okay. Okay.
around 100 CR. Okay. And the same goes with the target too. Target should not be more than 100 CR number.
Hmm.
Okay. So this is our question. Let's, okay, what do you think when you see this question? Anything comes in your mind?
Mm,
Like,
I mean, I can use like a for loop
that's very good
in the, yes. And then, mm,
because we are going to
as a,
iterate over the number, right?
yes, yes. The only thing I'm thinking is like I have to use a two for loop, but I'm thinking instead of using a two, can I switch it to the one and then solve it? That's what I'm thinking. Because with the
That's,
two for yes, with the two for loop, it will going to be really easy. I mean, I will run the one for loop just to keep it the first index, and the
let's
second one
start
will
with
be
the one. Okay.
okay. Yes.
Let's do the brute force approach.
Hmm.
Nums equal to, let's take the values 10
Yes.
comma. Okay, let's take this one
Yes.
and let's take the target.
Target will be 9. 30. Okay.
Okay, 30. Our output should be
Okay.
0 and 1, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, what we can do with the two loops. The first loop, you tell me your logic, then we'll go ahead.
Yes. So yeah, the first loop we're going to keep the index 1.
Okay,
Yes, and then for the second loop, we're going to add that index. I mean, we're going to check with an if condition the target is equal to with
but before the
adding.
second condition, we have
Mhm.
to start the second loop.
Oh, the second loop. Yeah, the second loop we're going to start from. So basically, we're going to start from the second index, like uh,
Okay,
20
let's
from
start
20.
with the
Yes.
first loop.
Yes.
For I in range, let's take everything inside
Hmm.
num equal to len of nums. Total length we are going
Yes.
to keep it inside this one.
Yeah.
Now we are going to run till what? Let's first
Till
simple.
n.
Let's take n. Till n.
Yes, till n.
Okay. Let's take it. And then inside this, we want another loop for j in range. And j is going to run
Yes.
till?
Till it's also going to run till n. I mean, yeah, it's going to start from
Start
20.
from,
So basically from
it's
the
going to
second
start
index.
from the second index. Okay.
Yes,
So which will be
which will be n plus one.
n plus 1 or
I mean,
I
no, no,
plus
no,
1?
no, no. I plus one. I plus one. My bad. I plus one. Whatever the I is going to be plus one.
Yeah. Hmm,
Yeah.
that's fine.
Okay. But now what I'm thinking is, yeah, if we start from I plus one,
Mm-hmm.
every time it's just gonna check the, like when we increase the I, like when we go to the 20, then it will only going to check for 10,
I
10.
need to
Oh,
stop this.
okay, okay. Let's solve
Hmm.
this one first, and then we'll think about it
So the
normals.
thing is, okay. So according to you, when we'll do this one, then
Mm-hmm.
num of I plus num of j
Mm,
should be equal to
mm.
the
Equal to
target.
target. Yes.
And if it equals to the target, we'll print
We'll
the
just
ing.
print INJ. Yes.
Okay. So if again nums of I equal to nums of j, and we are going to not
Print that.
going to print the num,
Mm,
we are just going to print the ing, right?
mm, mm.
Not a print. This much.
Only INJ. Yes.
ing,
Index one. Yes.
comma j. Yep. Do we need to require this break loop? Do we need this break loop?
Um, I
See, if it
mean,
is only
yes.
one solution, you can
Yes.
use the break loop. But
Mhm.
suppose there requires more than one solution,
Then
then
we
we
should
can
not use.
not use this one. Okay, let's
Yes,
go
yes.
for the one solution for now.
Okay.
Okay. So zero and one. Output
Yes.
is correct. Okay.
That's correct.
But
Yes.
see, the situation is your I is here, right?
Mm.
And you are not comparing with itself, right?
Yes, yes. I mean,
So when I will reach, so and j is
mhm,
starting from I plus one, right?
mhm,
Okay.
mhm,
So when
mm,
I will be at the second last, j will be at
mm.
the last
Will
number.
be, yeah, it will be at the last. I mean, yeah, it will exceed it
But
anyway.
I will again run for 50 as well. And j will become n plus 1.
N
And
plus
there
one,
is
yes.
nothing.
So
I
nothing
plus
N
1,
plus
sorry.
one.
J will
Yeah,
become
I
I
plus
plus
one.
1 and there is nothing.
Mm-hmm.
So do we need to run till n? I?
No, no.
We just have to run
Till till N
till
minus
I
one,
minus
yes.
n minus 1.
Mm.
Right. So this is the brute force approach. But what is the time complexity here?
N square.
N square. And what is the space
Mm.
complexity?
It will be O of N.
Not O up. And we are not storing anywhere. Any list are we storing?
Oh no, 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 no. We are not
No,
storing
it's
anything.
O
So
of
it's
1.
it's just O of one, O of one. Yes, yes, yes. My
Okay.
bad. Yeah.
So now if you see the question same over here. So this is known as two sum problem.
Okay.
Okay. There is further three sum also. We'll look into that one in the later class. But
Okay.
this is how the same thing. You may assume
Okay.
that the each input would have exactly one solution, which means each
Mm,
input,
mm,
whatever the input array is, exactly will be having one
mhm.
solution. That will keep. And that's why we are using break over there too. Okay.
Okay.
So in this case, we'll just copy whatever we have written our.
Got it. Got it.
We'll paste it over here. Now, few things we need to modify over here. Can you tell me what are those few things? Nums, we are getting the list of integer. Target, we are
Yes.
getting all the target, right?
Yes.
And both are of list type.
List type. Yes.
Okay. In n, we are keeping the nums, whatever the nums
Nums.
coming
Yeah.
over here. Okay.
Mhm.
For I in n minus 1, that's fine, till
Mm,
fine. Now,
mm.
instead of printing, if it is function, you always have to return something, right?
Yes.
And when you
So we're
return,
going
you can put that return into the that function call into print, but here we have to return
return it. Okay. So just basically return I comma j. That's it.
I comma j.
Yep.
And
Okay.
let's submit this one. Not submit, we need to run it first.
Run it first. Yeah.
So let's run it first. So it will check all the possible test cases, 3 possible test
Hmm,
cases on all
hmm,
three are pass.
hmm.
Okay. But still, if you see the problem statement, when I go to the description at the bottom, it says follow up. Can you come up with an algorithm that is less
Less
than
than.
O of n square?
That's good. Yes.
Time
I,
complexity.
yes. Yes. I
So
think we
this
can.
one we will modify at the end of our string class because the concept of that string class we are going to input
Mhm.
over here. And that will
Okay.
convert this O of n square to O of n.
Got
Or
it.
not
Got
O
it.
of n, O of 1 actually. That will be the best
O
solution.
O1 is the best solution.
Yep.
I didn't thought of that. I thought like we can like just go off and okay.
I'm not
We'll see.
sure about that too, but as far as I'm thinking, it should be O of 1. Let's see
Okay.
how it
Okay.
goes.
Okay.
So let's start with the string and the collections. So let's first
Hmm,
focus on our string part. Okay, these are the topics that we'll be covering in a string. We'll look into this indexing, slicing. Most question asked from the slicing as well. String
okay.
format, formatting, f string, escape character,
Hmm.
and three some hands-on problem just to include the build-up whatever we have studied in the string.
Okay.
And along with that, we'll look into the collection part, list, tuple set, dictionary,
Hmm. Hmm.
comprehension, enumerate.
Hmm.
We already know about this one, and we'll look
Yes.
into the zip function too. Okay,
Yes.
and couple of complex questions. Okay, which
Okay.
combines everything. So let's start with the indexing and slicing. Indexing we already aware with that it always starts with a 0 and
Hmm,
ends with n, whatever the number
hmm,
n minus 1.
hmm,
If n is 5, it means
hmm.
it will end till 4. But
Yes.
there is a negative indexing too that always
Yes.
start from the minus 1 from the end of
Hmm,
the string and it
hmm.
ends at to whatever the number n is, my negative n. So if
Okay.
anyone asks you what is the index of h, negative index of h, so start from the
Fine.
backward,
From
minus 3.
yes. Okay.
Okay, that's simple. So if someone is printing word of minus 1, which means
Hmm.
n, right? It's pretty simple.
Yes.
Let's go to the
Yes.
slicing one. Okay. So slicing has this three thing in this bracket known as start, stop, and step. Okay, let's see start one by one. So I'm just going to print num. Okay, 1:4. That's it. So 1:4.
Got it.
It's nums, not num. Yeah.
Hmm,
So when I say 1:4, it means it will start from the index 1, go till the index 4, but it will not print the 4. Just the number before the 4 means it excludes the last
hmm.
index. So
Okay.
what will be the output?
Will be from 20, 30, 40, and 50.
Are you sure? 40, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should
4.
come from 1, 2, 3, na? 20,
Oh, yeah,
30,
1 to
40.
3. Yes, yes.
20, 30, 40.
Yes, yes, 20, 30, 40.
Good.
Okay. My bad. Yeah.
Now if I do minus over here, minus 1 till 4 does not make sense.
Yes.
Yeah. Minus 1 till minus 4. What will be the output?
Yeah, now it will start from 50.
50.
Then it will go 50, 40, 30, and minus 4. Right? And it will not include minus 4. So it's going to be till 30, 50, 40, 30.
It's showing empty. That's strange.
Just run it one more time. Yeah.
Nope, it's sending empty
So,
string. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Yep. Starts from minus 1 till minus 4. This should be our expected output. Okay, let's do some further modification. Let's do minus 1. Okay, what will be the output of this one?
minus 1 till 10, till it ends.
So 50 till?
52 till 10. Right, it's
That's
just having,
strange.
yeah, mine is just having
Because
a minus.
if I do 1 colon nothing, it simply print from 1 till the
Yeah,
end.
1 till end, yes.
Okay. And if I don't print anything over here too, it will print whole string.
Whole string, yes.
And if I start from 4, it always take the forward direction. Yep. It always takes the forward direction, which
So
means
we
it will
have
work from minus 4 till
4 to
minus
minus 1.
1.
Got it.
Okay. It does not go reverse. That's the thing.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Otherwise, there will be no use for the reverse string function. A
Okay.
reverse function.
Okay. Correct.
Then what will be the output? Okay. Oh, the last after colon is something that tells you to how much step forward you have to do. When you do 1, it jumps only 1 time. When you do
Okay.
2, it will skip the middle one. So like minus
Okay.
4 to minus 1, what is the output?
So for 1, it jumps once. So it will be the same output. For 2, then it's going to be 20 and 40.
20 and 40. That's
Okay.
it. 20 and 40.
Got
Got
it.
it?
Got it. Got it. Yeah.
So we got the start, we got the stop, and then we got
Okay.
the step function too.
Okay. Okay.
How much step it will jump.
Hmm.
So slicing clear. That's it.
Yes.
All the
Yes.
questions are revolve around this. Someone will miss this one. Now what will be the output?
It starts from minus 4, right? So
Yeah,
40
minus
till
4.
10.
There
Till
is
10.
nothing. Till 10.
Yes.
Till 10.
I mean, 10, 20, 30, 40.
It starts from the minus 4. Minus 4 is this
Okay.
one.
Okay.
And then it's
Oh,
jumping
oh
to
yeah, yeah.
step.
My bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. Yeah.
Yep.
I was counting in a forward way. I just got confused. So yeah,
Hmm.
it's minus 4 is 20, then 10 and 20 will be, and then oh no, it's jumping 2, right? So only
Hmm.
20.
How much?
Only 20 will get printed.
20.
20 and
40 also will get printed.
okay, okay, okay.
Now tell me that why. See, I have written
Just give
nothing
me.
over here. Oh, yeah, you might have confused because of this one. There is nothing.
Okay. Okay, there's
Okay.
nothing. So
Yeah. So
it's gonna get printed from 20 till 50 in
till
the new
50, and then we are doing this step 2, which means
step 2.
20. Then it will jump to 40, and
Jump
then
to
there is
40
nothing.
and then it will jump 50. Yes, yes, yes. So 20 and 40. Yes, correct.
20 and 40.
Hmm.
Okay. Great. We'll be having one interview session too. Okay.
Okay.
Where whatever we have studied after doing the function and rest of the things,
Okay.
after half of our class, once seventh of the class is done, then we'll do one interview session till
No worries,
whatever
no
we have
worries.
studied. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Let's
okay.
move forward. So understood indexing and slicing. Let's
Yes.
continue. Now, strings method. There are a lot of methods, but these are most commonly used. Okay.
Mm.
Upper and lower, you are more familiar with this one, isn't it? And then there is a
Yes.
strip function. A strip function remove the extra spaces. Like if you see the high,
Mm.
dot a strip, and it leads to the high, which means it removes all the spaces
Mm.
in the front and the backward side of the string.
Got it.
A split again, there is a word, this one. If it is
Mm.
it's a combined word, it will split
Mm.
based on whatever the condition you have given. If I write
Okay.
colon over here, it will split and write colon. Okay. We have a question forward, so that already uses. So we'll see everything over there. Okay.
Okay.
Then we have this join function, which
Mm.
basically joins the word based on whatever the string you are passing. It will join based on whatever the condition you have given, like hyphen I have given. So it will join based on the hyphen. Then replace function basically replaces the character. So if I want to swap H with P, so here
Mm.
instead of H, P will be written. Instead of high, pi will be written.
Okay.
Got it? And
Mm.
same goes with count and find function. So count basically, if I do the count L. So if you see the index of L,
Mm.
sorry, count L means how many times L occurred over here. So 2 times,
Yes, yes.
right? So 2 printed over here. If I write
Okay.
find over here, so in which index L occurred, it will check and provide the index.
Okay. It will give
Got it?
all the index or just give the first
No,
one?
the index of the letter that you are looking for.
No, no, that's what I'm saying. But
Hmm.
for in here, the L are like repeating 2 times. So
Yes,
it will
two
give both
times.
the
So
index
it will
or it will
give
just
both
give
the
the first one.
index. We'll look into this one. Right.
Okay, okay. No worries.
Yep, we have a couple of questions. We'll do over there.
Okay, no worries, no worries.
Same goes with here. Yeah, we can do the practical with this. Like a string format, it basically formats a string. Suppose name and PTS point I'm passing over here. Okay.
Hmm.
So in the first curly braces, your name value will be printed, then
Hmm.
score, and the second curly braces, your whatever the point you will pass, that will be printed.
Hmm.
So if I just show you quickly, I need a name, alias, and then PTS setups. Print colon. Okay. So
Hmm.
we are calling this format function, which is formatting the first one and putting the whatever the first argument you are giving into this curly braces and the second one into this one.
Hmm.
So alias is code 30,
Got it.
right?
Hmm.
Second case, skip character. If you want to get a single word in a single line, then just use backslash n. That's
Hmm.
it. Backslash t will give you the tab space. Okay. Backslash
Got
double
it.
quote will allow you to enter the double quote.
Hmm.
Okay. Otherwise, in general, if you try to print the double quotes, it will show the error, right?
Got it.
And the f string. So basically, we have
Okay.
already tested this one. So whenever we want to print any variable along with the string character, then we use this f string. So whatever inside this curly braces will get printed. Okay, what is the meaning of 0.1f? Any idea?
0.1 f. Mm-hmm. I don't know.
F means float. Okay, and we are passing what?
Yes.
Integer.
Hmm.
0.1f will show you 30.0. If I write 0.2f, will show
Okay, okay.
30.00.
Oh, got it, got it, got it. If
Got it
it's
now?
like an integer, yeah, if it's like an integer, if you keep
And
like a yes,
yeah, to
it will
get
just
more
give you like
precision.
a precision. Okay, got it, got it. Yes.
And then let's quickly, I have the code written. Password validator, email validator, and word count. So we'll see in password validator upper and lower case. Email validator will contain the split and find function. So
Hmm.
all the testing we can do over here.
Got it.
Let's start with the password validator. So it's very simple. Basically, we are allowing the user to input the password. Okay. And then what we are doing? By initially, we are giving a has upper, has lower, has digit, and has special as a false value. As they are
Okay.
Boolean character. Then we have
Hmm.
this special character that we have written in the double quotes.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So simple for loop we are applying for chn password. So basically,
Hmm.
it will go through every letter of your password and check if ch is upper. If it is upper, then true.
Hmm.
Then else if it is lower, then also
Hmm.
true. If it is a digit, true. And if it is
Hmm.
a special character, true.
Okay.
And now the main condition is that password length, if it is greater than or equal to 8 digit,
Hmm.
and has upper itself says it has to be true.
True. Yes.
And then again has lower means some
That's true.
letters has to be lower case.
Lord. Yes.
And there has to be some digit also, which will make
Hmm.
it true. And there has to be
Hmm.
some special character too. Okay. If all these conditions satisfied, then only it's a strong password. Otherwise, you
Hmm.
are going to have a weak password.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
And then we are printing this print password analysis length.
Hmm.
How much is the length and the uppercase, lowercase, all of these things.
Okay.
So if I quickly run this one, okay, where I'm writing. See, is it a strong or weak password?
It is weak. As we got okay because we didn't have a digit and
Yep. So it's a
yes,
weak password
weak,
because
weak
digit is
password.
missing.
Digit is missing. Yes.
Okay. And if you write sky123 at the rate 7 character,
Mm,
we need one more character. And that's true. It's a strong password.
yes.
Password and it's a strong password. Great. Now the next one is the domain or the email verification.
Mm,
Now here we can see user just has to input their email ID.
mm,
If email contains space, then we are going to print the invalid email, of course.
mm.
And what is the meaning of this one? Else email dot count at the rate is not equal to 1.
Which one you're talking about?
Second condition.
The else if email dot count at
Yep.
okay, okay, okay. Okay. Okay, I mean if there is no at, uh, then it will be like invalid email.
Nope.
Mm,
The count function is there, na?
okay,
So what count is going to count?
it will one, yes. So
At the rate.
it will yes.
So
At the
if
rate
more than one or
one,
none.
then it will be okay, okay,
Yep.
yes, yes. Okay.
Only if it is one, then it's valid. Otherwise, it will be invalid. Right.
It will, okay, yeah.
Else username comma domain name email dot split at the rate. Now, what is the meaning of this one?
Split is going to, yeah, split we have seen like it's gonna split it. So
So if I print,
so it is going to like split from the email that we have written, like the at.
suppose
Keep
sky212
it.
at the rate
Hmm.
gmail.com. What
So
will
it
be
will
the
set.
username over here
It will be sky212.
and domain?
Domain will be gmail dot at gmail.com.
Yep, gmail.com.
Okay.
Got
Yes.
it. So if username is nothing, it's
Hmm.
invalid. Means if I write nothing, just at the rate gmail.com, it's
Hmm.
invalid. If
Hmm.
dot is not in the domain, so this is our
Hmm.
domain, and if dot is not there, then we'll print the
Hmm.
invalid. Else if domain starts with dot, that's also invalid. If I
Hmm.
just remove everything and just do .com, or domain ends with dot, then also it's invalid. So
Okay.
always remember whenever you are creating any code which is trying
Hmm.
to validate something, always write
Mhm.
the edge cases. Like I'm writing all the invalid cases. Ultimately, email will become a valid, then only it will print. Otherwise, it won't print
Got it.
because invalidate are very less compared to the way you can
Validate.
validate.
Okay,
That's
okay.
why
Yes.
always try to print the edge cases.
Okay.
Okay, and that's all. Let's print. Yeah.
No,
Where
you have
I'm
to write it
printing,
down.
so sorry.
Yeah. You're writing it. It happens. It's the VS Code thing. You just
So domain is say, sorry, username is say, domain is gmail.com, which is a valid email. Got it.
hmm.
Understood the use of split function over here. Okay, we also use not in as well.
Yes.
Count function too. And the last one, okay, it's a bit tricky. So what it is going to do, it is going to, okay, you tell me what it is going to do. Let's see. So I'm going to
So
input a sentence over here. Okay.
okay.
Then this sentence, what it will do? Let's do a dry code quickly. I'm writing, hey, this is AI. Okay. What will be the next sentence?
So the next will be it will make it everybody lower, like lowercase.
Lower.
So H, yes, H will be get converted to lower. So it will be hey,
Hey,
this is,
this
and then
is
also the AI.
AI.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Then this one,
Then it will split all the word,
it
like
will
all the
splits.
words separately, word and space
Yep.
both.
Hey will
So
be a single word.
yes,
This is going to be a
maybe a
single word.
single word. Okay.
And like
Oh,
this. Okay.
it's actually splitting a string. Okay, I was a little
Yep.
wrong. I
Each
thought
word will
like
be treated
yeah.
different, right?
No, okay, okay. I thought like it's splitting each character. That
Yep.
was in my mind. So yeah, that's got corrected. Okay.
That
Is
will be
there any
too much.
function? Okay, okay. Is there any function that to split each character, or is that we have to write a code for
You
it?
want to split it this one too?
Yeah. If you want to split like each character, is there any like a function like this? Like like right now we are using dot split. Is there any function like that to split each character on a word in the word?
Each character,
Like hey, it's hey, right? So for an example,
right.
like h is separate, e is separate, y is separate.
So if you are writing nothing now, it takes everything as a splitting based on the spaces. Okay.
Okay.
So for splitting letters by letter, need to check.
Okay, no worries.
Okay, we'll see that.
Okay, we
Uh,
can finish this one if you want
Yeah, yeah,
first.
we'll finish this
Yeah,
one.
yeah, and then we'll see that one.
Yeah, this one. Mhm.
Okay,
So
so
this is
now
basically a dictionary. Okay.
yes.
So we can come to this question later on once we'll cover the dictionary part. Okay.
Mm,
So this word counter is left. Then these
mm,
two are we are done with.
mm,
Okay. Now let's understand the collections. Very important
mm,
one. Okay. A lot of
mm.
questions asked from this one. List,
Okay.
it's 1, 2, 3. Simple.
Mm,
Okay. List are written in the format of a square bracket.
mm,
Tuple are written in parentheses. Sets
mm,
are written in curly braces.
mm,
Let's understand first three. When it says mutable, list is mutable, tuple is not mutable, set is this one mutable.
Mutable. Yes.
Okay. So what is the meaning of mutable over here when I say this?
Like we can update. We can
We
change
can
it.
update. Okay.
Yes.
And just okay. So when I write, okay, I'll take the example right from here. Num fine. And then what I'm this is list, right?
Yes. Yes.
To print this one for I in nums, print
Print I.
num of I.
Oh, yes.
Num of I.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. We can't run num. We have to put everything in n equal to len of num,
No, okay. Okay. Okay.
len of num. Then we have to write over here n
Why do we have to do that? I mean, since num is a
because
list, isn't
how would the for function for in range up to when it will go? How would it know?
okay.
See, when you do num for I
Mm-hmm.
in nums, what does that
Mm-hmm.
mean? Num is basically a list,
Yes.
but for work on a specific number, not on the list. So each time it has to have one number on which it will iterate and then print and then jump to the next one. So if you
Oh, got it.
got it now?
Got it. Got it. Got it. I mean, yeah,
Yeah.
it's not taking a length. So the range will be not set.
Yep,
Yeah, got it.
for I in range. And range is a function. So you got all the numbers. If
Mm,
you have
got
to
it. Got
remove the spaces, just do equal to comma indel. Okay.
got it.
We are not going into that. We need not to print this one too. But the thing is, if I do, I can modify this one, right? If I'll do num
Mm, mm.
equal to suppose 4 comma 6. What will be the output?
It will be 4 and
4
6.
comma 6. It get
Mm,
modified.
mm.
Now I'm going to just change the So this is what? This is tuple.
Hmm.
Is tuple mutable?
No.
Nope. But if I print over here, you see the output is still 4,6.
Yes.
Why
I
so?
think over here the concept comes like that we have learned in the very beginning of the
Yeah.
lecture. Yeah.
But see, in that beginning of the lecture, what did I say? That it is
This is
immutable. Okay.
yes.
Integer is immutable. What does that mean? It means get it every time it get a new ID, object ID.
New ID. Yes, new object ID.
So in case of list also is mutable. You can also say the same scenario in list also. List is also getting different ID,
Yes.
right? So why
Yes.
list is mutable and why tuple is not immutable? So the thing is, see what I'm going to do over here. I'll just write this as nums. And here I'm going to do nums dot append. Suppose 56. Okay. And then I'm putting this in, and now let's. What will be the output?
Will be 56 will be added at the
Okay,
end.
there's one issue. Number and
I think you can directly instead
yeah,
of
yeah,
like
there is a one issue
okay,
that num is not a
non-type. No,
and
this not.
num is equal to, let it be empty list. Now if it is empty list, now we are putting everything inside this empty list, and this should work in one issue.
I mean, we can directly append like nums dot append 56, and then we can store like num is equal to nums. I mean, n is
Just
equal
a
to
second.
yeah. Do we have to
If
make
I
it like a
simply print,
diff?
no need of that. If I simply put nums, it will print the whole list. Fine.
Mm.
Now if I do n equal to nums dot append, and what we are going to append, 34 print n,
Mm. Mm.
and should be an empty list. Let me just check the append syntax. So item list dot append, then item, that's correct.
Yeah.
Root dot append, see need not to, why it is not working over there? Oh yeah, let's simply we just remove this
Yeah.
part.
Just appends. Yeah. Yeah.
Simply we can append.
I mean, you can still store it afterwards, but this way.
Hmm. Okay. So 34 is getting added over here.
Added, yes.
And this
And
was
I
our
think,
list.
yes. And now we can store the length, like n is equal
Need
to,
not to be. To understand the concept, we can just take over here. Now we are going to
okay.
same thing. We are going to add it with a tuple. So what will be the output?
Mm, it will deny because it's not gonna get modified.
Yep. Append
Mm,
function does not work for the tuple.
yes.
And that is what the meaning of mutability over there.
Okay.
Okay. And if I
So,
do, mhm,
mm,
go ahead.
no, no. So I'm saying that, so the concept that we have learned, the very first,
Mhm.
the object ID thing. So the object ID concept will be the same. So
Concept
it's
will be the
same.
same. Yep.
Same. It will be same for the list and for the tuple both.
Correct.
So as in Python language, they both are immutable. But
Mhm.
the only mutable way is like it's just get modified, like maybe changing the number, or maybe adding some number or removing some number. In that way, it just modified. It get modified.
Correct.
But if as we did it
See,
before, like
if the question arises from the integer perspective, is the
Mhm,
primitive data type basically the int and all?
mhm,
Are they
mhm.
mutable or immutable? Simply say it's
No,
immutable. Why?
immutable, yes.
Because every time whenever we create the object of the same name, it
Hmm.
does look same, but the object ID is different,
It's
which
different.
means
Okay,
every
got it.
time we are creating a new object there. If the
Yes,
question
yes.
comes from the is tuple is a tuple and a set, whether it is set or list, are they mutable
Mhm,
or immutable? So except tuple, everything is mutable. Okay,
mhm,
why so? Because tuple consider a strict, a constant feature along with it. Okay, that we cannot
mhm,
add append function or any delete function. Okay, remove, modify, all these function we
mhm.
cannot add it with a tuple. Once it define the
Okay,
set, it will go along with that one.
got it, got it.
Okay, whereas
Okay.
in rest of the cases we can apply this function. If it is sets,
Mm,
we can do.
got it, got it.
Okay,
Yeah,
so the first part is clear, right?
yes, yes.
The next one is order no. Now what does this mean?
Order.
It
I don't know.
means if I remove this one, now right now this is set, right?
Hmm.
If I print, see the output 25, 25, 10, 15. Is this the same way I have given the input order? No, right?
Oh,
In the
yes,
first,
yes, yes, no. Yeah,
so you cannot apply for in sets, remember.
got it.
Because if you are trying to get the index of any number, every time it is going to shuffle and
Okay.
you won't get the same number in next time in the same iteration.
Got it, got it.
Okay, so always apply your this one for loop. In tuple, you can
Hmm,
apply in list, you can apply in dictionary, you can apply, but not in the not in case of sets.
hmm, got it.
Okay, duplicate value. Yes, yes, no. Now, what does it mean? You can apply duplicate value 25 to. Okay. In other cases, you will get the same list output, but here you will get only this 25 printed only one time.
Got it.
So it removes all the duplicate value and print only the single value.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's all about list, tuple, and set. Now dictionary.
Oh,
Any question from list, tuple, and set? Because these are the
no.
three questions that generally asked from the interview, asked in the interview.
Mm, no.
Let's do
Yeah,
the
as of,
dictionary part.
yes.
So it works on a key value pair. Okay.
Okay.
Let's quickly create a dictionary. If it is a school equal to name, just simply let's give it sky colon 34 comma 56. Okay. So the thing is, this is your key and this is your value, key value pair. You cannot repeat the key twice. I cannot repeat this one twice. Why? Because when I will print, when I will do the print function over here, in case of what I'm going to print.
We can print a score. I could print all the keys and value.
So we need to put keys and value in somewhere, right? For x comma y comma y in
Okay. Print X comma Y. Okay. Like if you want to print like whole dictionary, we cannot just like directly print and then
we
pass the dictionary name.
can do that. Okay, in scroll dot item was the variable item. I simply print school. So sky, one time only it got printed and they updated one only.
Okay.
In item function, basically when we have these two variables. So we'll look into this one. Okay.
Okay.
So you cannot use key twice. You can use the value twice.
So
That makes sense too.
So the key, yes, the key will get updated, or
Key
or it's the
will
same
always
concept,
take the latest one, this one.
the latest one. Okay.
If two keys having the same name, so always take the updated one, not the previous one.
Okay. And it goes to the same address, right?
Yep, same
They're not
address.
like, okay.
So the thing is, duplicate is allowed only in case of key, not in the case of key, only in case of value.
Okay.
Rest it is mutable too. Okay, and you can order this one. It's always come in the order format.
Got it.
Great. And these are the couple of functions that comes along with it. A square, you can simply write a square in a single for x star x for x in range of 5. So it will print till 5, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Just to the printing function. Same, if I have to print in the form of dictionary, I can simply write x. So it will print the value of x when we can do this one. Print sq. So 0 is 0, 1 is 1, 2 is 4, 3 is 9, 4 is 16.
Got it.
Okay. Then enumerate. What is the use of enumerate?
I was trying to recognize that one. I think enumerates is for the not the index number. I mean the address where it's stored.
Correct. Index and the
Yes.
value.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. I for the index, V for the value.
Value. Yes.
And then zip. Zip is a good one. What it does, I'll show you. So if I have a name as a list, show and Recovery. I need to type a lot over here. And then we have, what was the other name? Let it be something. Score.
Is equal to, yeah.
2,5. So names is going to be inside this one and zipping with the scores. Then we are going to print
Name and score, or A and B.
A,
comma
B.
Yep.
We can simply in the string format also we can write
A. B. Okay.
so Joe and 2, Corey and 5. So see,
Mhm.
Joe is getting zip with 2, Corey is getting zip with 5. So
Fine. Okay.
based on
Got it.
their
Got it.
indexes, it gets joins. That is the
Okay. Got it. Got it.
that is the value of zip, use of zip.
Mhm. Okay. Okay. So we
Okay.
can. Okay. Okay. Got it. Got
So
it.
if you have
Without
multiple,
using a
yeah.
without
So
using
this is
dictionary.
very
Yeah.
useful too.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
When
Okay.
you have separate list for the name, separate list for the mark
Mm.
sheets, and you want to associate everything along with their mark
Mm-hmm.
sheet too, name with their mark
Okay.
sheet.
Okay.
So this is the
So we
best
can.
way to
Okay.
generate
Zip it.
it.
Okay. Got it.
Great. Now, if you know list, if you have only single list and you are running
Mm.
a single loop on it,
Mm.
then you just print, you have the time complexity of O of 1, right?
Mm.
If the list became a search,
Mm.
then you have to do a for loop in it,
Yes.
right? Then you get
Yes.
the complexity as O of n.
Mm.
Dictionary, no matter what it is, dictionary is always going to be O of 1.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
So if the very first example that we took, so there if we somehow use the dictionary,
Mm.
okay, then we can bring our O of n to O of 1. O of n is square to O of 1, isn't it?
Okay. Okay.
That is
Got
known
it.
as a
Got it.
hash mapping. Okay.
Okay.
And then sets. Sets is again also come under O of 1.
Oh, fun. Okay.
Okay. And this is one example of the student record. It's pretty simple. We are appending everything. We have this class. So you can go through this one. Okay.
Okay. No
And let
worries.
me know if you
Yeah.
have any confusion along
Okay.
with
Okay.
it.
Okay. Okay. No worries. No worries.
Okay.
What's the last one?
So
Okay.
last one does not actually contain, it's just the conclusion part. String
Okay.
plus
Okay.
connection is equal to the foundation of the real program.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Got it.
So both actually comes together most of the time. So
Mm-hmm.
this was our word count function. Let's quickly wrap this up. Yes. So now you understood the dictionary part, right? So this is
Yes.
an empty dictionary, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm going every word by word. For word in words, if word in word count, okay, you make me understand this one and then I'll go through it.
Okay. Okay. No worries. So we have a word count. That's a dictionary in word
And
in
we took
word.
the
So
example of,
yeah, this uh AI or something like that. Whatever we
yeah,
can take.
this is NEI.
Yeah.
Okay. So
This
right
is
now
lower
this is
than
going to
sweet.
inside this word,
Hmm.
right?
Yes. So it
Mm,
will be like this will be separate, is will be separate, A will be separate, and AI will be separate.
correct.
Hmm. And if word in word counts is plus is equal to 1.
So what is the how many times we get the this? Right
This
now,
just one time.
only
Okay,
this
yes, yes.
comes first. So count increase to 1.
Yes.
So
What?
this
Yes.
uh, this equal to control Z is equal to 1, right? Now the
Yes.
second word is.
Is
So again is count increase to 1
one.
because
Yes.
only one time it is being used.
Hmm.
Then third number is an.
Hmm.
So an value is also increased to 1.
Yes.
And then fourth value is 1 AI, and that's also count
Yeah.
increase to 1. Remember to use the count function.
Hmm.
Okay, keep every item in a small case in a single case. Either it is
Got it. Got
capital
it.
or small.
Got it.
Okay, so this is done. Else the word counter will remain 1.
One.
So
Okay.
next
Yeah.
time when it goes, so every
Hmm.
time it is getting a new word,
Hmm.
not the
Hmm.
repeated word. If it gets the
Hmm.
repeated word, the count increase to
Hmm.
2,
Two. Yes.
right? So
Hmm.
since it does not get any repeated word, so it will come over here, print
Hmm.
the length of the word, which is 4,
Okay.
right?
Yes. Yes.
Then word frequency, key and value. Remember,
Hmm.
yeah, this item function, which I wanted to show.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
key is basically your word,
Hmm.
value is basically the count, how many times it
Count.
came.
Hmm.
And this we were storing inside this word count dictionary. So it was
Yes.
getting stored like this equal this colon 1 is colon 1. Okay. In
Hmm.
this way. And then we are printing in the format of function.
Got
So
it.
let's run this one. Enter a sentence. This is an AI and press enter. So if you see everything is count is 1. Most repeated
Yes.
word also being counted, and that is this, which is not correct. Okay. I mean,
Yes.
it has no other option. It's taking the first one as the priority one.
Got it.
If I write a good sentence, every person having to what happened? Where is the word? Sentence. Oh God. So this is 2 times. Is this 2 time? Hey, how 1 time? Most repeated word
Yeah.
is again the topmost is the 2, and the
Two.
repeated
Okay.
time is 2.
Two.
So got
Okay.
it.
Got it. Okay.
And
Okay.
this is
We can.
actually your dictionary. Okay,
Got it.
everything
Got
is
it.
printed from the dictionary. So that item function actually
Hmm. We can
include.
also like
Hmm.
also like this is easy is also like at the same level. So
Yep, but it
as
is
it
taking the
just
priority one. I
okay,
mean,
it's just taking the
the
first one.
first
Yes.
one.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay. 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 But we can we modify to it like just printing the both, like
just
give the
print.
priority, like give the priority to both of the keys and value if it's same.
We can do it if we can simply just put a if clause.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay,
Hmm. But if
like you
if
can
by
think about
default
it.
by
Yeah,
okay. Okay, by
by
default
default
it
it
will
does not
just
come. By default it takes the
okay.
priority one.
Okay. 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 But
But
then
if
we
any
can
two
write
is having the same value,
mhm.
okay, highest plus the same value,
Yes.
then print the
Then
keys of that one,
okay. Okay. Got it. Got it.
isn't it? These are the this and is a key. 2 and 2
Mhm.
is the value.
Hmm.
So if any two number having the highest and count is more than 1, then print
Hmm.
all those keys.
Got it. Got it.
Try and test it out.
Yep. Yep. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in the next class, just try to go through the one that we have seen in the lead code, even though I'll discuss in the next class. Okay. Just try to use the dictionary and try to convert it.
No
I'll
worries, no
just give
worries.
you
Yeah.
a small idea. Like you have the list of number, just put the number in a dictionary format every time.
Got it,
Okay.
got it. Okay.
And then see is
Mm,
the number, and from the preceding one, is the
mm,
number came earlier or not? If not, move
Okay,
forward.
okay.
Came earlier in the sense, if the number previously when get added with the current one providing you the
Mm,
target or not.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Just go through it. Next class we'll go through that one and then we will move forward. Okay.
okay.
I'll
No worries.
take one more question which is related to our today's class. Okay. Any question you are having?
No,
Good. Anyway, but you should have some questions. That's actually
I
good.
mean, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. No worries. In the next class, come with questions. I'll be glad to
For
answer
sure.
that one. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah. Okay, then I'll stop the recording.
Okay.
Yeah.